Well, it's been a while since I've done any new videos, and that's because I've been busy with the new house and the baby. I know most of you are not aware that I had a really little baby girl, 13 ounces, about 780 grams. That's all she weighed. And now she's a little over a year old, but she has taken a lot of our time, and she needs a lot of attention. So I have been very busy and unable to basically been unable to edit and post videos. Although I have taken some videos, I just need to edit them. So you'll see those videos shortly. Some will recognize the older house on some of those videos. Additionally, I just bought this this truck. It's not a new truck. Picked it up for $400. A Ford Ranger. It has some things that have to be taken care of. I already did the brakes, and you'll see a video on those brakes also. And it really needs a good cleaning. It is dirty as hell, but can't beat it for the price, right? So you'll be seeing some of these videos again. I'm also going to be posting a video with my wife about our daughter. For anybody that has a preemie or a micro preemie, as my daughter is known, you might want to look at that. You know, my wife is a nurse, so she can guide you straight on that. I've actually learned a lot during this whole process with my daughter, and while I don't want to go into nursing, I think I can pretty much hold my own for now, at least with the baby. So again, it's been several months since I've posted anything. I hope you guys can get some use out of the videos that I'm going to post. Thanks for all the guys giving me a thumbs up on the previous videos on the Porsche. I still have the Porsche. I really like it, but I'm really thinking of maybe upgrading to a 996 turbo. Let me know what you think. And stay tuned for the videos. Thank you.